Hello, is that Wimco Textile operator? Yes. Can I speak to PA to GM please? Operator. Who is speaking please? Amit Sehgal from Space Software Industries. Please hold on. Hello Mr. Chandra, call for you. Hello Chandra here. Mr. Chandra, good morning. I am Amit Sehgal from Space Software Industries. I want an appointment with the GM please. Mr. Chandra, when do you want to see him? आप कब मिलना चाहते हैं? If possible, tomorrow 11:30 in the morning. Mr. Chandra, sorry, tomorrow GM is out of town. Is 25th at 4 p.m. Okay, sorry. All right, thank you, Mr. Chandra. फिर से घंटी बजती है ऑपरेटर. हेलो विमको टेक्सटाइल, गुड आफ्टरनून, कैन आई स्पीक द GM प्लीज? ऑपरेटर, मे आई नो हु इज स्पीकिंग प्लीज? Kelrana from Sagar International. Sorry sir, the GM is busy in a meeting right now. Could you please call after 3 p.m? इस तरह 3 बजे के बाद. राना, hello, is that Wimco Textile? Yes please, can I help you? Can I speak to the GM please? Operator, who is speaking please? Kelrana from Sagar International. Please hold on. Sir, Mr. Kelrana from Sagar International want to speak to you. Yes, put him through. बात करवा दो. Yes sir, Mr. Rana, the GM is on the line please. Hello, good afternoon sir, Rana here. Hello Rana, how are you? Fine, thank you sir. I want to inform you that the consignment from Germany has been sent. It should be here in about 15 days time. Thank you Rana, that is good news. So when do I see you? फिर कब मिलते हो? Can I come tomorrow morning? 4 o'clock in the afternoon will be better. Okay, I will be there. Bye sir. Bye. See you. तो ये रहा कुल मिला करके. Thank you.